Yeah, just out of greenhouse works. All the instructions are in the book. Pretty cool. We had our first frost about over a month ago, and these plants are still doing pretty good. It's gotten down to the mid 20s, and these plants are still doing great. I think we pulled one or two carrots out yesterday, and the carrots were about, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches long. So good sized carrots for 3 months of growing, and halfway decent sun. So anyway, I'll close this back up, and we'll show you these beds that we're building right now for next year. So these, can you see them? You have the picture? Now come closer. I'll just point. So these beds we built a few weeks. Been building over the last few weeks, and they're pretty much done. We just need to get some sawdust put in them and some sand. But I'm not sure we're gonna put in these yet. I was thinking about corn, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But but these beds are the 30-foot beds that the book is basing everything off of. So I won't have to adjust any fertilizer amounts. I'll just use what the book says in these, and we should do pretty good. These beds get the best sunlight of any spot in our yard, so we should get some pretty good plants from these. So anyway, wanted to give you an overview of what we've done for a different kind of solar power and what we're doing to grow our food. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And Harvey, you want to say something?
Please subscribe.
Okay, very good. So we'll talk to you later. I'll give you some updates as we get this stuff built and start growing some more stuff next year. Grace and peace be with you. Bye for now.